Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This time we're gonna build a mini racing drone. Sounds awesome, right? So let's make it. This is QX95 carbon fiber frame. This is the top part. These are the rubber grips for motor. Install these in all four corners. '8520 brushless motor, 2 clockwise, 2 anti-clockwise. Now install all the 4 motors in the frame. These are the motor direction which you can follow. 1, 4 is clockwise and 2 and 3 is anti-clockwise. I am using this flight controller SP Racing F3 Evo. This is brushed flight controller, and it's also support FPP system. You can see here it is M1, M2, M3, M4, and you can connect the motor here. These 3 pins are for receiver. B- and B+ are for connection of battery. I soldered all the motor in M1, M2, M3 and M4. If the motor spins in wrong direction, then interchange the wire. I am using this receiver FlySky FS A8S. Now connect 3 pin wires in the receiver, and this is the antenna. You can see I connect the receiver with the flight controller. Connect the ground wire in the middle pin, S-bus pin in right and VCC to the left. So I am using this transmitter FlySky FS i6. First we need to set up the transmitter. Go to system and then type select. Select airplane or glider and save it. Then go to RX setup and turn this on and save it. Then go to PPM output and turn it off, then save it. Now go to aux channel and set the switches like this and save it. Now our transmitter setup is done. Make sure at first you have to bind the receiver with the transmitter. Now you have to set the flight controller to bootloader mode. If you don't know, check other YouTube videos for better understanding. Now open the software Zadig, then go to option and tick all the devices. In your case, it will show STM bootloader and click on the driver. In my case, I have already programmed it, that's why it is not showing the bootloader option. I am using this software Betaflight for programming the drone. Now my flight controller is connected to COM4. Then click on connect. This is our setup area. You can see I am moving my drone and it is also showing in the software. Now we will calibrate the drone. Now place the drone on a level surface and click calibrate accelerometer. Now it's successfully calibrated. Now go to port option and set like this I am doing. Then click save and reboot. Now go to configuration. Now set the quad X. Now set all the value like this I am doing. If you wish, you can give your drone name here. Then select serial based receiver. Then select iBus. Now turn off all these options. Then select burst here and set all the values like this. Then go to power and battery and set the values like this. Then go to PID settings and set the value like this for better flight. Then go to receiver. Now turn on your transmitter and move all the sticks. Then check the direction of your movement is right or wrong. If wrong, then invert the channel. Now go to modes. Follow the same procedure to setting the flight mode. I set the flight mode to one in horizon and other in angle. I set arm and disarm in aux1 channel, and in last go to motor. Here you can check your motor speed and direction. And finally our programming part is done and we are ready to fly our drone. I am using this 3.7 volt 800 mAh battery. After powering it on, you can see the light is blinking. When you arm the drone, blue LED will stop blinking. These are the tiny propellers I have used. Install this in all 4 motors. and our whole drone is finally ready. It's looked awesome, right? So let's test it. Though I am not good in drone flying, still enjoy the clip. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and support us. And stay tuned until our next project.
हाँ